Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you my latest digital kit. I'm so excited about this one. It turned out so cool. I'm calling this one Quaint Pink Roses. And I hope the lighting's good in here. I have a little bit of overcast weather today. But yeah, this one has got blues and pinks and roses and butterflies and music and lace and all the things that I love. So there are 12 background pages and 6 ephemera pages in this collection, and I will be listing this on my Etsy shop, so by the time you see this video it should be there. So here's the first background. I'll show you. Make sure that I'm in. Yes, okay. In the line of view for you. So pretty. I love the slate blue and the burgundies and pink colors of these roses. So fun. I did go with a black and white butterfly for some of it, and then I added this guy. He was so cute, I couldn't resist him. So he's on one of the background pages, and then he's in some of the ephemera. There's some splatters, and I've got some dark edges a little bit around the edges. So this one's fun. I added some blue frames to the flowers. There's some script, a little bit of grungy script in the background. Here's some blue splatter. Very fun. Now this one was a last minute. I was like, I can't do 11 pages. I gotta have 12. And really quickly I made this one, and I think it's my favorite. Yeah, I really like how this one came out. Kind of did a faded effect on this one with the ledger paper, and yeah, I really like it. So here's that ledger paper. I've added some staining on the sides to make it a little grungier. Got the fold in the paper. I went ahead and did it this way. I debated whether to go long ways or short. And I went this way because mostly what I will use this for is journal making. And I think it just goes well. And I've seen a lot going the other way, so try something new. Here's our grungy background. I did do a few that are kind of just more simple backgrounds because I like to have some choices there. And then, you know, especially if I'm adding ephemera to it, I don't want to cover everything up. This one has some music and some splatters, some grunginess around the edges. Here's one that has some, I guess, what do you call that, filigree or something on the corners. I really liked how that came out. And I really love the script in the background. So fun. Here's one that has lace on the sides. We've got some swirl, little stringy swirls in the middle. And here's another one with a little bit of everything. Really, really love this. And then I printed, well, yes, I printed the whole thing, but then I made a couple that were larger for if you wanted to do it as a journal cover. I thought these would be fun, or for ephemera, or, you know, whatever you want to do with it. I thought this would make a great journal cover. And then I've got the ephemera here. I've done some small tags. These are 2x4, and there's 8 of those. And then I've done, these are 1 1/4 inch circles, I think, either 1 1/4 or 1 1/2. And what I do with these, I punch them out, and then I'm going to make flowers out of them. That's what I normally do with the circles. You know, unless you're going to use it maybe for a, what I call a crazy 8 closure, you could use it for that. You could use it for a little tiny tuck closure on an envelope. There's all kinds of things you can do with these little circles. So I use those quite a bit, so I went ahead and included those. Here's some medium-sized tags. I really like how these came out. These are 3x6, and then there's a belly band or, well, whatever you want to use it for. That's 1 by about 9.5 in size. Well, let's see, 9 by 10. 1 by 10. I'll get it. And then I've done these large tags with my favorite page. I really like how this came out. Here's another piece that can be used for a belly band. And then I did this little half circle thing here because I saw someone, and I don't remember who it was, came up with a great idea for a horizontal belly band. Sometimes things will fall through, and she used a half circle for a stopper. I think it was Carol Tinson. So I just added a half circle there to use as a stopper with the horizontal belly band. These large tags are 4 by 8, so those are a lot of fun. And then we've got this page with, I've got a couple of corners here. There's some tickets, and what I do is I just score in between each one of these, fold them up. You can cut them apart, keep them all together, whatever you want. But those make a fun little ticket. In fact, this can be, this and the other one, because they're 1 inch, can also be cut into tickets, 1 by 2. And then if you happen to have a Tim Holtz ticket stamp, just go right over the top if you'd like. I've got some little tabs here, and then some butterflies, which are a lot of fun. So, and then I've got 2 pages where I've just taken the background pages and put 4 to a page so that they can be used for journal cards or pockets. If you leave them this size, you could even cut them in half again and use them as a little journal card or a tuck spot, especially with some of these that have the 2 different images and things on those. I think that would be a lot of fun. So there you go. I hope you like that. Like I said, it will be available in my Etsy store. And I really had a lot of fun putting this together. I took a lot of time thinking about what I wanted to do, and it has changed tremendously. It started out as a completely different collection. This is the final product. So anyway, it is called Quaint Pink Roses, and we will be using this in an upcoming journal. If you're interested, the link to my Etsy store will be in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.